Afternoon foodies. So today we're going to make halloumi and feta filo pastry pasty. It's a Greek thing. So in here we've got some melted butter, we've got some well washed leeks. There's 2 leeks there, finely chopped, cut down in the butter. We've got 1 halloumi finely diced, 1 packet of feta crumbled up, and 100 grams of mascarpone filo pastry. So while the leeks are cooking, I'm going to mix this all together. That's what it looks like mixed together. So that's the leeks added. I'm going to mix all this together now. So that's what it looks like all mixed together. Here we are out of the oven. So what I didn't explain at the beginning is I've made these really big. So what you would normally do is put less filling, make them smaller, and then you make it into a spiral. But I wanted to make them like this. So I'm hoping that these are cooked through. Next time I make them, I will make them in a round. Hear the crunch. So I will taste test it, but it's like molten lava right now. It's straight out of the oven. Cheese lovers heaven. Oh, give it a try. Enjoy.